Hi boys and girls, it's Lazy Awesome Dad here. Today we have a special short story entitled The Magic Play-Doh Set. Make sure you watch until the end so as you don't miss out on the magic bit. Let's don't waste any more time. Sit down, relax and enjoy. Little Michaela received a set of Play-Doh for her birthday. She was so excited with her present and couldn't wait to play with it. She asked her mum to join her and they played for hours. Firstly, they made a chocolate biscuit with a strawberry icing that looks so delicious. Then they make a mini cupcakes with the same strawberry toppings. To top it up, they put a yellow decoration flower. Yum! Lastly, they made some chocolate biscuits with strawberry fillings. They were having so much fun that they didn't realize it was almost time for lunch, when suddenly little Michaela's dad yelled, "Time for lunch!" They pack everything neatly together and rush to have their lunch. While both Michaela and her mum were having lunch, something magical and strange happened. The whole Play-Doh set became alive. They were moving around in harmony. The remaining Play-Doh went into the mold to form 5 little cute gummy bears. There was a dark purple gummy bear, an electric pink gummy bear, a light green gummy bear, a brown gummy bear, and a green gummy bear. But the little gummy bears were so naughty. When they saw the Kinder surprise eggs, they wanted to find out what was inside. They climbed on top of each other and tried to open the surprise eggs. Do you think the gummy bears will be able to open the surprise eggs? If so, can you guess what's inside? Alright, I'll leave you to it to watch the remainder of the video. After trying so hard, the gummy bear managed to open the surprise egg. To their surprise, it was a monster that came out of the egg. He used his extra superpower to capture every one of them. None could escape. But then, little Michaela and her mum just finished their lunch. They were getting ready to go back to play with the new Play-Doh set and have more fun. All of a sudden, the Play-Doh set and the magical egg just get back together and reverse back to their original position. It seems as if nothing happened. That's the end of the story. Or is it? That's the question. If you've enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and if you like, don't forget to share it with your friends. For now, bye, and hope to see you soon next time. See ya!